Hi, my name is Afif and today I will be talking about ePoints. So, what is ePoints? Basically, at ePoints, we supply in-game currency across multiple games such as Roblox, Mobile Legends, and even Steam Wallet for Steam-based games. So, what do we supply? Basically, we supply in-game currency. What is in-game currency? In-game currency is real money that is exchanged for the currency that is used inside a specific game. For example, for Roblox, the in-game currency is Robux, while in Mobile Legends, the in-game currency is gems. So there is no specific in-game currency that can be used for all games. Basically, all games have their own in-game currency and we can supply to any game if you inquire us first. Why is there a need for in-game currency? With in-game currency, you can purchase items that can be used inside the game. For example, cosmetics, items, basically anything that is available inside the game, you can purchase with using in-game currency. Why is there the need to buy in-game currency? In-game currency is a way for you to purchase items inside the stuff, basically from cosmetics to items. And normally, people use in-game currency to purchase limited items that can deliver advantages for the player in a game, or to complete a mission, to buff your character in the game, or to enhance the gameplay in a certain way that you can have more fun while playing the game. In 2020, due to the COVID-19, there has been an increase of number of players for all types of games across all platforms. For example, I can take the statistic given by Roblox. In 2020, they have over 100 million monthly users on their own game itself. So this shows that there is a demand for the game and also a demand for the in-game currency. Due to the rise of players, it shows that there is a demand for the game and there is also demand for the in-game currency. During the COVID-19, game developers realized that the sudden increase of players, they need to make people attracted to their games. So across all games, there is a lot of events going on in game. Special items are released, and the only way to get them or to access these events is through in-game currency. So that's where ePoints comes in as a supplier. We supply all types of in-game currency in exchange for real money. If you would like to purchase in-game currency from us, all you have to do is send in an inquiry to our email, which is epoints.my@gmail.com. That's epoints.my@gmail.com. Or you can directly inquire to me at Chrysalis on Instagram. That's Chrysalis. Thank you for supporting us. I hope everyone has fun playing their own games, and stay safe everybody.